Licenses and registration. In this short video, we will consider some of the licensing and registration requirements that a new business will have to comply with. One of the more important registration requirements is the requirement to register the business name. Unless a business owner proposes to carry on business under their own name, including their surname and first name or surname and initials, they must register their business name. This requirement applies to sole traders and partnerships. If the business owner chooses to use a company and proposes to carry on business under a name different to the registered name of the company, then once again the business name must be registered. Traditionally, the business name registration process was a state-based process, and a business owner had to register the business name in each state in which they are planning to carry on business. This process is now administered by ASIC, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, and you can now go to the ASIC website, go to ASIC Connect, and you can actually not only register business names but also access the details behind currently registered business names. It's also the place that you will go to see if the business name you might be planning to use for your new business has already been registered as a business name. Now, the purpose of registering a business name is not to protect the business owner's interest in the name, but to protect the public by making the owner's identity publicly available in the event of a problem. So, for example, if a customer suffers an injury because they've used a particular product that has been purchased from a particular business, and all they know about the business is the name of the business, then they can do a search on the ASIC register and find out who owns the business in order to perhaps commence legal proceedings. The public is also protected by avoiding the potentially misleading situation of having two businesses with the same business name. So the intent of registering a business name is not to stop another business from using that name, but that is in fact a consequence of registering a business name, which is why it is so important that a business register its name and maintain registration of its name. Any new business will have to comply with a wide range of licensing requirements. These licensing requirements may be imposed by the federal government, by the state government, or by a local authority. We certainly won't go into any specifics here, but I will point out that the new Australian Business License and Information Service is a very useful website where you can go, provide some details about the proposed new business, answer a few questions, and you will then be advised as to the full range of licenses that will be required for the new business.